Today, I'm going to show you how to record your screen, perfect for tutorials, presentations, or even gameplay videos. Let's dive right in. First, open Clipchamp and start a new project. On the left side, you'll see a tab called Record and Create. Click on it. Here, you'll find the option for screen recording. Next, you'll be prompted to choose whether you want to record your entire screen or just a specific window. Choose the option that suits your needs and then hit share to start the recording. When you're done, simply click stop in the recording toolbar and your screen recording will automatically appear in your media section. Now, drag the recording onto your timeline and you're ready to start editing, and that's it. You've just recorded your screen using Clipchamp. It's super simple and perfect for creating tutorials or sharing your computer screen with others. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Clipchamp tips and tricks.